What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton, and today we're gonna do another restaurant review. We're at this restaurant called Yoshi Shabu Shabu. It's a Japanese hot pot place. They get your own individual hot pot. You get your own food. You mix up your own ingredients. So this place has 4.5 stars on Yelp. And today we're gonna check it out and tell you how it goes and how good it is. Let's go inside and check it out. Here we are. First, when we come in, they serve us 3 different types of sauce. Not sure what they are yet, but I'll let you know later. Sauces are citrus ponzu, roasted garlic teriyaki, and sesame peanut butter. Peanut, my bad. So the meals here are pre-fixed already. So you get to pick either 1 meat, 1 protein, 2 protein, or 4 protein. And it comes with assorted vegetables, noodles of your choice, rice, and a soup.
I'm gonna help you guys garnish your pot and sauces. If there's anything that you guys don't want in there, just let me know and I'll put it in there. Would you guys like mild, medium, spicy?
I'm just mild. I don't like salad.
No salad?
Probably like medium.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in.
I want to get the sukiyaki with the ramen noodle, and I will get the pork belly, the scallop, and the salmon. Yeah, that's it, right? That's it.
Why's my skin that feels so empty inside?
So guys, this is the chicken, the zakuzan or something. It comes with rice. Taste. Has a sweet flavor to it. Chicken, I think it has some eggs on it. Very creamy. And the chicken is so tender. It has pieces of onions in there. So guys, this is the garlic noodle. Ramen garlic noodle. Of course, it's very garlicky. The noodle is chewy, very delicious. I like it a lot.
So good.
This, guys, is butter corn. Oh my god, it's so hot. Strong flavor. It has strong butter, salty flavor. I don't know how to describe it. It's not a familiar flavor to me. But I do highly recommend this. So here we got the vegetable plate. We have tofu, cabbage, mushroom, the ramen, carrots, and more mushrooms down here.
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty
I recommend adding like some of the broccoli and the carrots since they take a little bit longer to cook. And I'll do some of the cabbage as well. Spinach. Seen right here. So all we're gonna do is just grab one slice like so. There you go. And then we're just gonna dip inside the pot, side to side. Swish wish in Japanese, that translates into shabu shabu. For the beef, usually cooks super quick, so probably like 5 to 8 seconds. And then you want yours like a little bit more medium rare or well done?
Medium.
Medium. Medium. Now what we're gonna do is just dip it in one of those sauces. This is peanut sauce.
Yeah, that's this one.
It goes really well for our beef, so we're just gonna dip it like so and just lay on top of the rice. Here you go. And you try that.
your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside. I kept searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes, your kisses.
Well, guys, that was Yoshi Shabu Shabu, Japanese hot pot. Super delicious, very quality meat there. I recommend that tonkatsu based soup with salmon, you know, all that beef ribeyes, and I ate with a scallop. It was super delicious. I like most was that teriyaki soup. I mean teriyaki sauce. That was delicious to me. So if you like what you see here, make sure you smash the like button and consider subscribing, all right? Good night, y'all, and I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Bye.